Hello everyone, welcome to GreyPot. Today we are making something in the categories of snacks. This is everyone's favorite spicy mixture, which has the flavors of garlic and curry leaves. So let's get started. Into a bowl add some gram flour, rice flour, red chili powder, turmeric powder, some asafoetida and salt. Mix it well. Now add some water little by little and make this into a soft dough. In a mixture there is long fried sticks which is called as save and small fried balls which is called as bundi. We're gonna make save with this dough. So you need a noodle presser like this. Apply some oil inside the presser. Take a small portion of the dough, place it inside. And press it into some hot oil. Few seconds later, just flip it. After 2-3 seconds, our save is ready. You can make around 2-3 batches of save like this with the given quantity. Once our save is ready, let's prepare the bundi batter. Into some gram flour, add in rice flour, red chili powder, turmeric powder, asafoetida and salt. Add some water. Now you need to make a flowing consistency batter for the bundis. Now heat some oil and place a strainer, or you can also use a grater. Place that on top of the oil and pour around half a cup of the batter onto the strainer and let the batter fall into the oil in drops. Once it turns crispy, take it out. You can always adjust the amount of bundis you add in a mixture. If you like, you can add more bundis, or if you want, you can reduce the amount of save. Once you're done with frying the bundis, add some crushed garlic into the same oil and fry it. Once it changes its color into a golden shade, take it out. Now fry some curry leaves. Once it turns crispy, keep it aside. And finally, fry some peanuts. Now it's time to mix everything together. Add the save into a large bowl. Just crush it a bit. Add bundis, garlic, fried peanuts. Add some red chili powder and salt. Then mix everything together. Please don't over mix it. Now our spicy, crispy mixture is ready. Once it cools down, immediately transfer it into an airtight container and enjoy it with a hot cup of tea. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest. Thank you for watching. Click the logo to subscribe to GreyPot and watch more videos from our channel.